Hey everyone, it's Stephanie here at Seriously Skin, and today I want to talk about exosomes. So exosomes are currently the big buzzword craze right now. We have been carrying exosomes here for quite some time now. We use them post-procedure, so post-profractional, micro-laser peel, micro-needling. We have them here, we put them on immediately, and then 30 minutes later we have you put it on again at home. So that's really how you get the most benefit with those exosomes, to help with the wound healing and stimulating collagen, adding to those results with the laser. So we love them, we use them all the time, and I think we were just looking for ways to use exosomes more aggressively. So the company Plated, I'm sure most of you have heard of it, they came and did a training with us. We are now carrying Plated products. And when I tell you that the clinical studies that they showed us and the results, the before and afters, I mean, they were unbelievable. The nerd in me was so excited by all these studies and just how amazing these results are. So what's cool about the Plated products is they pulled their exosomes from platelets. So what does that mean? So platelets in our body, we all have them. When there's an injury, the platelets rush to that injury. They're essentially the ambulance for the body. They're like, okay, we have to go here. We have to tell everyone else to bring the big guns. We got to heal this. So they're essentially the messengers. So they're the powerhouse that's teaching the skin to repair. And when you get that repair, you're getting the new collagen, the new elastin fibers. So they were able to take that powerhouse platelet, extract the exosomes from it, put it in a bottle, and now we have Plated. So what does that mean for topical skincare? Well, what's amazing is that the exosomes are 300 times smaller than a human pore. So when you wash your face and then you put these exosomes on your face, they go right in. You do not need a channel to get them to reach where they need to reach. And once they go in, they are signaling all those cells in your skin to start repairing or to start acting young again, which is unbelievable. So when we use that in conjunction with your skincare at home, everything just works so much better. So it is one of the best new anti-aging products that I've seen in a long time. You could also use it post-procedure. We typically recommend don't start until 24 hours after post-procedure, but when you use them with your treatments, microneedling, profractional, micro-laser peel, halo, moxie, your 24 hours later you use the product, it's going to make those results so much better. But then you continue to use that product for as long as you want to. And it's really just, the whole goal is making those cells turn on again. So, and as we age, our cells tend to go to sleep. So that is the whole point of it. We are so excited about it. I'm telling everyone, get your hands on this Plated exosome because it is truly one of the best things to add to your at-home regimen. Again, think of it as a treatment, not skincare. Use all your skincare as you would. Exosomes will go on first. So wash your face, exosomes, skincare. If you have any questions, just give me a call and we can go over the correct regimen for you. But come on in, get your hands on this because it's seriously awesome. We love them.